That's Journey Faithfully, K-Line 101.7, Scott Topper, rocking it with you on this Tuesday afternoon. Well, the Dog Days of Summer, the free summer cinema that's happening on Fridays at 8:30 at the Santa Barbara County Courthouse. And I have a very special guest in the studio to help me to announce all the upcoming movies. My son, Skylar. Hi, Sky.
Hi.
What's happening?
Well, looks like we got the Dog Days of Summer.
Yeah. Well, what's the first movie coming up this Friday?
101 Dalmatians.
Now, that's July 11th. And what's next?
The Sandlot.
Yeah, that's July 18th. What else?
Best in Show.
That's July 25.
My Dog Skip.
That's August 8th.
Isle of Dogs.
Ah, close. Isle of Dogs.
Oh, okay.
It looks like Izzle, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's August 15th. What else we got?
Marley Me.
Which we watched and we cried really,
God.
like a lot of crying going on there. We have a dog named Izzy.
Oh, yeah.
We love Izzy.
Yeah.
Now that movie's August 22, and then what's the next one?
Dog.
And Dog is the last one, Skylar.
Wow.
That's all they got. That's through August 29. Now this is the Dog Days of Summer, and it's going on for UCSB Arts and Lectures. And how's your summer going so far, Skylar?
Actually, pretty good.
Yeah? Have you traveled anywhere?
Kind of.
Yeah? Cub Scouts?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
I went to Catalina Island. It was, what was it again? Let me think, wait.
It's pretty fun.
Camp Emerald Bay, Catalina Island, Camp Emerald Bay for the Boy Scouts and Cub Scouts.
Yeah. Well, you want to send a shout out to your pack?
Yeah, shout out to Pack 36.
All right. Way to go, Skylar. Well, thanks for joining me in the studio. And let's see, we got more great music straight ahead, including Lady Gaga and Backstreet Boys. So don't go anywhere.
Turn your smartphone into a